Hey there, fellow gardeners. Do you know what crustacean meal is? No, it's not a meal made from crustaceans, but it sure is a healthy treat for your plant. If you're like me, you're always on the hunt for the next big thing in plant growth. Well, look no further than crustacean meal. Crustacean meal is a natural fertilizer, made from the shells of crustaceans like lobsters and crabs. That's right, we're feeding our plants seafood now. But why use crustacean meal over other fertilizers? First, it's rich in chitin, a natural polymer found in crustacean shells. Chitin helps to strengthen the cell walls of plants, making them more resilient to pests and diseases. And as an added bonus, it promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in the soil, improving soil quality over time. But wait, there's more. Crustacean meal is also a great source of calcium and magnesium, two essential nutrients for plant growth. And unlike synthetic fertilizers, crustacean meal won't harm beneficial organisms in your soil, meaning you can use it without worry. For example, let's say you're growing tomatoes. Sprinkling some crustacean meal around the base of your tomato plant will not only provide essential nutrient, but it will also help to prevent common tomato pests like aphids and whiteflies. Crustacean meal, the seafood feast for your plants. If you're looking for a natural and effective way to fertilize your garden, give crustacean meal a try. Your plants will thank you. If you like these types of videos about soil building or minerals or anything like that, then go on to my YouTube channel or check out the top right corner for the next video. I appreciate you watching it. Please hit like, and if you've got any comments about crustacean meal, please leave them in the comments. I will see you on the next video.